Number 10. On the shot clock. Pass to number 14. Basket by Bermejo. Number 19, pass sa ilalim. Evangelista. 10 on the shot clock. Pass to number 30 for 3. Ball. And that's blocking foul by jersey number 19. First personal foul and first team foul on the Continentals. And 40 on the shot clock. There's Bermejo for 3. No good. And rebound number 5. Shot clock for 14 seconds. Number 19 for 3. Here's Collis. Pass sa ilalim. Sablay na lang. Pass break pass. Steal by Fuentes. Number 14. Not good. Evangelista, pass sa ilalim. And 2 points by here's number 30. Number 14, pass to Minyet for 3. No good. Spotted, no good. And Evangelista, basket for 2. Fuentes, and there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 14. First personal foul and second team foul. Pass to Evangelista. 15 on the shot clock. Evangelista, naabawan nga lang. And Collis. There's a foul by jersey number 3. First personal foul and third team foul. Shooting to jersey number 0. And here's number 16. 15 on the shot clock. Collis. Pass to number 10. violation. Number 19 holding the ball. And cross-court pass. 3 balls by number 20. Collis pass to Carmelo. Back to Collis. On the drive. Basket is good. And Fuentes pass to number 10. Sarosa attempt for 3. No good. And still Fuentes pass to Sarosa. Back to Fuentes. Collis with the drive. Pass na pala sa ilalim. No good. And full possession. Score is 13-4. Lamang kita ang Phantom Bulls. Collis bringing the ball past to Fuentes. Pen on the shot clock. Comenius for 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 0. Back to 16. 10 to shoot. Basket for 2 by number 16. Number 19. Bitawan na lang. And pass to Collis. 2 points for number 16. Evangelista. 15 on the shot clock. Backward violation. And Collis pass to Comenius with a fake. Going sa ilalim. Here's number 12. Allegro with a quick drive. Pass to Palado. And that's a foul. Foul on Comenius. That is first foul and first team foul. 14 seconds. Shot clock. Pass to Allegro. Here's number 24. And that's out of bounds. Pass to Comenius for 3. Allegro. Basket. 2 points. Here's number 16. No good. Collis, another try and rejection. Shot clock by 8 seconds on the shot clock. Again, 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Here's Commando. And out of bounds. And second turnover para dito sa Phantom Bulls. Here's number 16. And Patrick pass. Allegro with a quick pass. Commando. Basket for 2. Here's Polis. Pass to Stupinius. 10 on the shot clock. Pass to Fuentes for 3. Anim ang kalamangan ng Phantom Hoops. At there we go. And that's foul. First personal foul and 14 foul. Substitution. And here's Bermejo. Action for 3. Pass to Dominius with a fake. And pinasa sa opponent. And here's number 12. Good. Pass to Bermejo with a jump shot. Good. Rebound by Allegro. Pass to number 11 with a spin. And Allegro with a 2-1. 19-14 the final score. Here's Polis. Oras na lang 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. Pass to Dominius. Dominius for 3. Raising the ball, and it's foul. Holding foul, here's number 0. Substitution. This first foul in 17 foul penalty. Liberals. Pass to number 24, 10 on the shot clock. It's Camado. And number 24, Nana for 3. So good. Substitution. Number 20 out. 30 seconds remaining. Volley is passed to Dominius. It's a 3-point shot. Not good. Rebound by Brook. And a jump shot. Basket for 2. And playing for the Euros. 15 seconds remaining. Allegro, pass sa ilalim. And still by Allegro. Ito na with the wing. Sakto ka rin. Tapi ka sa ilalim. First quarter. Here's number 12, pass to number 13. Back to Allegro. Shot clock by 15 seconds. Number 30 for 3. Here's for another 3. And ball goes to the other way. 22 to 19. Allegro, here's Evangelista, not good. Rebound by Nana. Allegro, not good. And ball possession of Euro. 55, Fuentes, pasa sa kaliwa. 3! Pass by number 16. Allegro dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 30. Pasa sa kanan. Here's Nana with a fake. Extra pass. Allegro, pasa sa ilalim. Then on the shot block. Naagawan na lang. Here's Collis. Hindi nagkaamuyan. And pass to jersey number 30. Here's Rubio. Tackle. All this pass to the Bermejo. Tupiñez fake. No good. Basket controlled by number 40. Wait, just a quick look. Ang ating score. Here's the number 12. Pass to Ganganista. Pass sa ilalim. Naagaw na ng Collis. Ilista mo na yun! Here's number 12, bringing the ball. And pass to Evangelista. Pass sa ilalim, Nana. And 14 seconds on the shot clock. And still by jersey number 16. Number 55, pass to number 40, Andre. No good. Here's Allegro. Extra pass. Good. Rebound by Goal. Pass break pass. And ball. 26 to 22 ang ating score. Lamang dito ang Heroes. Tupiñez for 3. Good. And there's number 16 fake. With a shot. And pass to Evangelista. Basket yan. Our score is 24, 28 to 24. With 6 minutes exactly. Collis, pass to Bermejo for 3. No good. Here's Rubio for 3. No good. Collis, pass sa ilalim, not good. And the ball goes to the Panthers boots. 5 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. Pass to Nana. Sa ilalim. Basket by Nana. Ready for substitution. Here's Collis dribbling the ball. Pass to go. Last shot for 3. Allegro with a dribble. Pass to Ocasio. Here's Rubio. Basket by Nana. 31 to 28 ang ating score. Grabe, digit na digit na. Tapikan. for number 16. Pass to Rubio. Here's Ocasio. Nana with a fake with the shot. Not good. Fast break pass. Still by Rubio. Offensive ball, jersey number 30. First personal ball and first team ball. Yung mga bata sa gilid. Here's Evangelista, pass to Nana. Rubio for three. Here's Wallace with a drive, not good. Here's Amado, pass to Evangelista. What a finish, not good. Pass to Bermejo. No good. Rebound by Amado. Here's Nana, extra pass. Basket for two. With that reverse. Number 16 passes versus number 14 passes sa gitna. Ang ganda pass nun. What a connection. For Numeros. Here's Evangelista. Pass to Nana for three. Shot block. And jersey number 0. Let's turn over. 36-35. Labang dito ng isa. Ang Phantom Hoops. Here's the Rubio. Pass to Ocasio. Amado. 15 on the shot block. Here's the Rubio. Basket for two by Rubio. Oh, yung dalawa. Here's Dominguez. Pass to Bermejo. With a fake and not good. 2 points by jersey number 30. Transit. Oh. Here's Go. With a fake. Pass sa ilalim. Basket yan. Red foul on jersey number 24. Station. First personal foul and second team ball. Bonus free throw. Basket. Here's Nana. Cross-court pass Amado. Extra pass Ocasio. Basket for two. Para sa atin, 55 seconds remaining. Dominguez releasing the ball pass to Wallace. Here's Grover long three. No good. 45 seconds remaining. 40 seconds remaining. 2 points on Dominguez. 30 seconds remaining. Nana pass to Evangelista. With a drive. Pass it for two. 20 seconds remaining. basket by Evangelista. 5 seconds. And a second, Prado. Number 5, free ball. Basket yan. And may highlights ka na sa Heart Boys. And shoutout sa Heart Boys. Naka-video po tayo. And here's Collis dribbling the ball. Here's number 16. No good. Evangelista. Not good. Rebound by number 5. And there's a foul. Here's number 16. First personal foul in. First team foul is the Guru. And shooting 2 by there's number 5. Two out of 2 on free throw line. And here's number 0 dribbling the ball. And there for 3. No good. And the ball is the other way. 48-43. With 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Nana. 10 on the shot clock. Pass to Evangelista with a fake. Tries to shoot. And that's steal. Here's number 26. Cross-court pass. Napitawat nga lang ang bola. 8 minutes in, 10 seconds remaining. Here's number 11. Not good. And cross-break pass. Something alam. Tapi ka sa ilalim. Here's Nana. Oh. Alright, game. Substitution. Our score is 48-43. Pass to Evangelista. Dribbling the ball with a drive. They set up with him. Basket for 2. And a foul on his number 28. First personal foul in second team foul. Basket. Here's number 55, dribbling ball, passes sa kanan. Made of fake and floater. No good. Here's Dominguez. 10 on the shot clock. Number 28, pass to Mendes. Basket for 2. And here's Manalo. Not good. Here's Bermejo. Passes sa kanan. Dominguez with a fake with a shot. No good. There's number 40, pass to jersey number 11. Nana. This is captain. Nana with a floater shot. Something alam. And another time, but there's a foul. Para dito ay jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. 16. Jersey number 16, that's the second personal foul in third team foul. And shooting 2 by jersey number 5. On the shot clock, number 11. Andrew, copy sa ilalim. Here's Dominguez. Lateral pass, Fuentes. Fuentes after foot. Good. Here's goal. And then on the shot clock. Pass sa ilalim. Supply pa rin. Number 16. Pass to the team. And Bangilista. Pass sa ilalim. Naagawan. Pass rin pass. And it's the goal. It's the goal. Allegro in. And number 11 out. Here's Allegro dribbling the ball. And that's foul on his number 14. There's number 14, that is first foul in full team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Allegro basket for 2 by jersey number 14, Gonzalez. Polish pass to Dominguez for 3. Pabasa tatlo ang lamang. Pass the Brooks. Allegro dribbling the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Evangelista launching for throw. And Polish. And rejection by Evangelista. Sapal Cowboy. Number 5. Basket for 2. Fuentes, not good. Come on, and here's Fuentes, squares at 3. We're back in the ball game for 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Nana. Pass to Gonzalez. Here's number 5. Pass to Allegro. Man on the shot clock. Supply na lang. Pass break pass. And turnover. Here's Nana. Pass to Allegro. Still by Polish. Supervised by jersey number 5. 58 to 55 ang ating 3-pointer. Not good. Number 28, pasa sa kanan. What a shot! 58 ang ating score. Or 58 na. Grabe. And here's Evangelista Papawi sa 3. And here's Gonzalez, pass to Nana. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Air ball ang inabot. And here's ball for 3. Not good. Pass ang Negro. Sumohin mo, jersey number 40. Here's Bermejo, lumipat na. And here's Nana, launching for 2. All 60. 63 to 60 ang ating score. 2-2. And third quarter pa lang, pero grabe, dikit na dikit ang laban. Forty seconds on the shot clock. Here's the number 10 seconds on the shot clock. Tomines, another 3. Not good. Here's Allegro. Pass to Gonzalez. And ball on here's number 14. Second personal foul is D. Penalty. Shooting 2. Martinez pass to go. Basket for 2. Basket for 2 by Evangelista. Martinez dribbling the ball to the pass to Collins. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Martinez, long 2, not good. Two points on jersey number 40. 66 to 64 ang ating score. Pagpas sa dalawa, ang lamang ng bottom hoop. Here's Allegro. Cross-court pass, Evangelista. Extra pass. Substitution. Ready for substitution. 55 seconds remaining. With a fake, wait the time, sabang na naman. 42 seconds remaining. Blocking foul on jersey number 0. Second jersey number foul is D. Penalty. Free throw as 0 out of 2. And here's Nana using his very offensive foul. Number 17. Here's number 27. Pass to Fuentes, launching for 3. And there's a foul. Second personal foul in second team. Zero, basket. Back again. And third is Piccolo. 2 out of 3 on free throw line. Ang score natin ay 66 with 27 seconds remaining. Here's Allegro dribbling the ball. Coming forward, using the third goal. Second personal foul is through. Team foul. 40 seconds on the shot clock. And we have 20 seconds remaining. Pass it to Minyes. 10 on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. To Minyes for 3. Not good. 5. For fourth quarter, and dito na natin malalaman kung sino pananalo. Paano mo score? Quarter after 3. And Bacanista pass to Rubio. And there. Solis. Pass to Martinez. Fuentes, another 3. Okay. Pass to Evangelista. And one-break pass, Solis. Not good. Evangelista. Not good. Martinez with a dribble, with a shot, not good. Sa ilalim, Tumejo, not good. Here's number 30, pass to Ocasio. Here's Evangelista, Elijah for 3, not good. Ramado sa ilalim, basket for 2. On the shot clock. Here's number 16 for 3. Rebound by Fuentes. Good ball, here's number 40. Evangelista. And there's a foul. Oh, and there's number 40. Third personal foul and first team ball. Exhibition. And basket for the first critical. That is 2 out of 2 on free throw line para dito. Evangelista. Pasa sa kanan. Here's go for the 3. Go. Evangelista. Basket for 2. And here's Solis. 15 on the shot clock. Evangelista number 3. No good. Checking. Pass to Martinez. And that's foul. Number 40, second personal foul, and 2 foul. Hesitation. On the shot clock. And here's number 19. Cross-court pass. Here's Nana. Sa ilalim. Not good. And here's Rubio. Sablay na lang. Here's Go. Extra pass. Number 24, third personal foul, and 17 balls. Here's Evangelista dribbling the ball. When a side step goes back about the last ball is number 1. 78-72. Ang ating score. Pasa sa kaliwa, Lanshan for Dre. And here's number 0, Police. Nakalusot. Extra pass. Here's Pro with a 3-pointer. Not good. Pass break pass. Kapado. Pinadali nga lang. Pass break pass. Not good. Pass it to by number 16. Here's Rubio. Step back play. No good. Ball is on the ball. Pass to Pro. 82-74. Here's Rubio. Pass sa ilalim. Silverio. Not good. Here's Martinez. Coordination, 38 seconds remaining. Here's Alejandro dribbling the ball. With a back to Nana. Pasa sa ilalim. 2 points by Evangelista. 82-77. Here's Zero Police. With a crossover. Pasa Martinez. 10 on the shot clock. Here's number 5 to shoot. Here's goal. Up to one foul. Silverio to the first ball and through the ball. Here's number 12. Paso to number 30. Rubio over Dre. Silverio with a footwork. Extra pass on the shot clock. Pass to Alejandro. Extra pass. Flashing for 3. No good. Dropping the Fernando. And out of bounds. Congratulations. remaining. Pass through. Convenience. Back to Collis. 15 on the shot. Number 16. Basket for two. Allegro with the dribble. Pasa sa kanan. Evangelista. Basket down with the ball. Oh, there's the number 28. Second personal foul and second team ball. Hesitation. Pasok. And bonus free throw by jersey number 19, Evangelista. Basket 84-80. Grabe. Sigit ang laban ito. And that's foul. Jersey number 12. Third personal foul and fourth team foul. On the shot clock. Here's ball, extra pass. Convenience, watching for three. Good. Pass to Allegro. Here's Ana, one-on-one play. Sablay pa rin. Wallace. To Wallace. 86-80. Here's Evangelista, using the sway. Basket down with a goal. On jersey number 40, Mabaka. Jersey number 40, 44 foul and 30 foul. Ready for substitution. Sabre. 86-83. Yung mga bata dyan, huwag mo na kayo magpapansin, ha? Here's Martinez. Third, Matthew. Let's do it. 86-83. Pigit lang to. And crossbar pass na ang kawan. Allegro. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Nana. Here's Evangelista. 10 on the shot clock. Basket. And Martinez magpababa ng ball. With a shot. Not good. Collis with a second prize of different players. 88-85. Here's Romeo launching for three. Good. Rebound by Nana. 10 on shot clock. Evangelista. That's the two. 88-87. And here's goal. Passengers for 16. Gomez. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Spin. Now bitawan. Find the shoot. Not good. Here's goal 10 on the shot clock. And that's foul. Again, there's a number 13 pushing foul. First personal foul and team penalty. And shooting two by 4. 35 seconds. Tatlo ang lahat ng UNS. Fast 3. Number. Rino Tornana. And it's foul. By just number 55. Ref, that's foul ba yun? That's foul. Alright. No, not foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And here's Nana with a fake with the back. 2 boys. 20 seconds remaining. Pass number 16 with a fake. And a drive. 40 seconds. Both teams penalty na. 13 seconds remaining. At kabayaran natin yan. Ito na. Alright, clarification. Just not counted yun. 2 shots. Penalty na tayo doon. Both teams penalty na. Alright, complete throws by Eva Minista. Anong sagot? Papasa na yan. And second free throw. Ref, sino foul kanina? And 55. Third personal foul. And second free throw. Ano sagot? Pass kaya? Supply! Penalty na. And foul against number 17. Second personal foul. LP penalty. 92 to 90. Ang ating score. Basket. 9.6 seconds remaining. Basket. 94 to 90. Here's Anna. Congratulations, the team Humeros with the final score of